to Ignited Garage. Frig, it's been a while. This is a little update video. As you see, I bought myself a new trailer. It needs a deck, but I'll be filming, putting the deck in, fabbing up some brackets for the fenders. What lights are there work, the brakes work. It's got regular freaking tires. I'm getting some LED lights that are gonna go right there and over there for the trailer or brake lights. But it's a sick trailer. I picked it up. It is a good deal, so everything's all like, it's not rusted, rotted. There's a spot right there that we're gonna patch up. I'll film that. Maybe I'll need to get some new suspension, because I don't think that's supposed to do that right there. So we'll get some new leaf springs come springtime, and then I'm gonna paint the deck and sand it. It looks like a car now. That's impressive. As for the hood, we'll figure something out. Maybe I'll fiberglass the hell out of it, and I've taken it the back window because I'm gonna try and sand it down, polish it up, sand it, polish, try and get it clear. Because as you can see, I got some spots clear, which is sick. I am painting a cage in here. Everything's gonna go black. I'm just doing some rattle can for that. We did get a new fuel cell. At least not a new fuel cell, I got a new case. But down there, under there, it's got the new cell. We did put the dash in. I've got, hold on, let's see. I've got a wideband gauge in here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's turn the power on so you guys can see what's going on. I'm trying to get back into YouTube, just because I love making videos. We've got ourselves a wideband. The wideband here, the tack right there, and oil pressure right there, the 7 up there. I gotta fill this all in, clean it up under there, and I gotta get me some new seats. New seats are key for this thing, because these seats suck really bad. That being said, it's just a drift car. Like I said, it's just a little update video. We are going to start doing projects. I'm going to get the head cam out and get the GoPro out and film what I'm doing. Start trying to do more of a vloggy type videos. Endless battles with vehicles. So, I hope you don't mind this little update video. I might go live and do a live stream and just chat with you guys in the next... Yeah. I will talk to you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you later, guys.